What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Mountain Creek video. We're here with Brian today over on South Peak, and my legs are shot from the other day skiing and snowboarding. I've been going 4 days straight now and I am destroyed, but I want to come up again.
Thanks.
So yeah, we're gonna just do some riding. I'm probably gonna take it easy because I'm literally like, my legs are so sore. They never usually get this sore, but they hurt. But yeah, we're gonna ride a bit. It'll be fun, and it's a beautiful day, so let's go snowboarding. But before we do, I would like to say I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of this winter. So if you could hit that subscribe button for me if you're enjoying my content, I'd really appreciate it. I'm uploading daily, so there's another reason. And why not? It's fun. We're having a good time here. SnowSkateShred. Let's go snowboarding, boys. Yee! All right, so we're taking one run over at Bear real quick, just so I can zoom down it. I'm probably just gonna do some nice carves and just cruise my way down, but carry some good speed the whole time, because, you know, why not? That's it. You have anything to say?
Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe. He's right. Definitely subscribe. All right, let's go down Bear Peak. Yeah. Woo! All right, so me and Brian had a pretty fun time. Just hit south for a few runs today, just to loosen the legs up. I'm really sore still, so I'm trying to get them loose and get them stronger. And it was a fun time. Conditions were really good today. They were able to blow some snow overnight, I believe, and things felt nice. The rails were sliding well. Everything was pristine. Also, thank you to whoever said hello to me on the mountain. I forgot your name, but someone who watches the vid said hello. If you are one of those people, you are subscribed to me, you're watching, whatever, you see me on the mountain, feel free to come say hello, and maybe we'll do a few laps and I'll record it. So yeah, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure to leave a like, comment something interesting, and subscribe if you're new here. Thanks for watching. Peace.